Hello guys, hope you're fine. First of all, like and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for new videos. So today topic is best high yield saving account, top online saving account and interest rate to 2025. When shopping for the best online saving account, you should consider the account interest rate, monthly service fee, ease of use, and additional perks. A high yield saving account, also known as the HISA, is a type of saving account that offers a higher interest rate than a traditional saving account. It can be a good place to keep money that you may need access into the near term and while still earning in a high return on your cash. The Federal Reserve has kept rates and steady so far, and in 2025 keeping saving account rates and a historic high and feature nationally available deposit rate. Guys, you can see the table and best saving account rate. Today's top rate community financial credit union high yield saving account and best for a low account balance Vero savings account, best bundle checking and saving, Exos one saving and checking bundle, best low maintenance account, Bank saving, best account from a credit union, we brand credit union prefer saving, best for ATM test and lending club level up saving account, best for a large bank open bank high yield saving and benefit of a high yield saving account, earn high interest rate from high yield saving account. Online saving account let you earn high interest rate on your money with low risk. The highest saving rate lend between 4% to 5% APY, which can outpace inflation. This means your money won't lose purchasing power over time in a high yield saving account. Safe and secure. Like other bank account, almost all high yield saving account are either FDIC insured or NQA insured, depending on whether you are banked with a bank or a credit union respectively. This means your money will be insured up to the 25 lakh for an individual online and saving account up to the 50 lakh for a joint bank account, either for growing your money. High yield saving account can be great when you want to earn some money on your saving without risk and will still having easy access to it. This makes it ideal for emergency fund. So you don't want to risk your emergency fund on investing and you want to be able to set your emergency fund if someone major happen with online saving account. You will still be able to make money off your money without sacrificing safety and health. How saving account work? A saving account rate is variable, which means it can change over time. Your bank will usually email you, tell you the rate will go for up down, and soon saving account may also have transfer limit according to federal rule regulation. Generally, if a saving account has a transfer limit, this means that you have be only permitted to make transfer from the account each month. If you exceed the transfer limit, you will have to pay a fee for each additional transfer. And the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve has recently amended regulation. So banks may choose to suspend monthly transfer limits so customer can make unlimited monthly transaction, or other they could enforce a 6 per month limit. What is a good interest rate on the saving account? A good interest rate is one of that pays above the average saving account interest rate, and the average saving account in the United States offers 0.42% APY, but good account tend to pay between 3.50% to 5% APY. If you are more comfortable banking with a brick and mortar bank, a traditional saving account might be a better option for you. Just know that you may not be saving account from banks and credit unions usually offer higher rate. Applying for a high yield saving account, once you are ready, you can apply for a high yield saving account online. Typically, the bank will specify whether you can apply for individual and joint bank account and if there are any age requirement to open an online saving account. Some bank will only let you open an online saving account if you are at least 80 years old. The application for opening saving account require basic information and proof of identity like your full name, home address, and job information. Online form also generally require your social security number and driver license information. Although some banks let you use an individual taxpayer identification number instead of a social security number, you might also need to share and copies of these documents. And if a bank asks for it, some permit an alternative ID. And if you don't have the US ID like a foreign passport or matricula consular, once you are proved and to open an account, you will be able to deposit money into two online saving accounts. Some banks don't require an initial deposit, but if you does, you can link an external bank account and make an act transfer as a funding method. If you choose an in-person bank, you might be able to deposit money in a branch as a funding method. And if you would like to help and opening a saving account, you can generally open a saving account at an in-person bank branch if your bank has it, or you can open an account over the phone and maximize your earning with high yield saving account. If you are looking for how to save money and be more consistent with your habit, consider the following tips. What to look for in a high yield saving account, different type of saving account, and high yield account fee depending on where you bank. Some saving account may charge multi-bank maintenance fees and a multi-service fee, the amount you will have to pay each month to maintain account. Some account will allow you to waive a monthly service fee if you meet certain requirement, while other cannot be waived. Bear in mind that some saving account do not charge certain fees at all. Minimum balance requirement for earning interest. Some banks will require you to keep some money in your saving account to get to the highest saving account. Interest rate saving account from and promotion are also more common in a competitive interest rate environment. You might see some companies pay a bonus rate for a new account for the best couple of months. These special are to attract new customers to make sure you are getting to top rate. Find out what the interest rate will be once the promotion is over, so you know. And there will be the once the promotion is over, so you know there is not significant decline in APY, accessibility, and customer service of the bank. You should also factor in the overall customer experience at the bank. High yield saving account are more commonly found at online banks. You might find some brick and mortar financial institution with these accounts. There are a few institutions that offer a hybrid experience, but for the most part, be prepared for a primarily digital banking experience. Some banks offer 24/7 customer support by phone or through live chat for online saving accounts. So you may look into these options if traditional banking or don't work well with your schedule. You can also check a bank holiday schedule to see if it has flexible branch calendar. Some banks are open on holidays when other banks are not, or they is still open for longer, while other banks may close early before a holiday weekend. If you value strong mobile banking, you might prefer a bank with one of the best mobile banking app. It should also be noted that some smaller local institutions and new online banking divisions don't have mobile apps for their online saving account, and that could be a disadvantage because that one less way to manage your account. Accessibility for cash deposit and withdrawal also varies widely between online bank. A handful of high yield saving account have debit card or ATM card, but for the most part this is not a common feature. Typically you need to own a checking account with the same bank or make an external bank account transfer to take out cash. Depositing cash through an online saving account can also involve extra steps depending on the bank. Some banks do not let you make cash deposit and online saving account, so you have to deposit cash in the bank checking account or in an external bank account from a different bank and then faster money. A couple of online banks may have more ways to deposit physical cash into an online bank account. For example, a few let you make cash deposit as ATM in their network. You also might be able to make cash deposit there as a store. Usually there are a fee of around $5 per transaction. Although alternative to high yield saving accounts, CDS, the best CD rates are comparable to the best high yield saving account rates. You might prefer a CD if you want to lock in a high rate for a set period of time. CDs offer fixed rate. You won't risk your rate decreasing as you would with a saving account, but CDs offer less flexibility because you can't add or withdraw your money without penalty until the end of their term length. The being said, something like CD later, which is where you buy multiple CDS with different term length and could give you more liquidity while still letting you lock in the good rate. Money market count are similar to high yield saving count, but they typically make it easier to assess your saving. The best money market account comes with a feature that checking account might have, such as an ATM card, debit card, or paper check. High yield checking account. The best high yield checking accounts are a good tool for earning even more interest on your money, but checking account balances are often lower than saving account balances because you use them to spend money. If you are serious about using interest to grow your balance, a high yield saving account is usually the better bet. Best online high yield saving account. Business Insider Personal Finance Team reviewed 2230 saving account and narrowed over two picks down to the 8 and the top opinion after no monthly maintenance fees, and the many also have low minimum opening deposit, and many of the best banks and credit union for high yield saving account are online. Our topics for saving accounts are federally insured by the FDIC and Aqua, and federal institution protects to the 25 lakh per deposit in the event of a bank failure. Today, best available saving account rate community financial credit union high yield saving account. Unlike the other option on this list, the community financial credit union high yield saving account is not available nationwide. It still make our list cause it offer a much higher interest rate on the first $1,000 in your account that other banks or credit union of it has to find even 7% interest saving account right now, and this account offers much higher interest. You can earn up to 10.00% APY in discount purchasely once you meet the minimum opening balance of $, you'll automatically earn the high interest rate on the first $1,000 in the account. If your balance goes over $1,000, you'll only earn 0.10% APY on the extra cash. You will need to qualify for membership with this credit union to open the account, which could be hard depending on where you live. To join the community financial credit union, you need to live, work, attend school or workshop and the worship in the Michigan. You can also join if you live in the same household as a current member, or if you have an immediate family member who qualify to join. If you own business, you might be able to join through your company if it regularly does business in the Michigan. Community Financial Credit Union has a B rating from the BBB because it has not responded to one complaint filed against, and it does not have any recent controversies. And best for low saving account balance, Varo saving account. The Varo saving account is one of the last high yield saving account to offer up to 5% APY, but it only offers that high rate if you maintain a low balance in the account. It also comes with automatic saving tool that automatically transfer money from your visit check and the purchase to your saving account. If you choose to use them, you need to meet some requirements. Earn the highest APY through first you need to get at least $1,000 in direct deposit each month and end the month with the positive and the balance in all of your Varo bank account. Then you will earn the high APY, but only on the first $5,000 in your account. You will earn a much lower rate or earning money or the $5,000. Varo has an I rating from the BBB because of the large number of complaints filed against the bank. It also no recent controversy. Best bundle checking and saving account. Axos One Saving and Checking Bundle. The Axos One Saving and Checking Bundle is a hybrid saving account and checking account, which means you can't open an Axos One saving account without an Axos One checking account you could earn a high rate with the Axis One saving and the checking bundle. Your saving account balance only earn up to the 4.66% APY, while your checking account balance can earn up to the 0.50% APY. The account also comes with other perks like early direct deposit and enhanced FDIC coverage. In order to earn a good interest rate, you will need to receive at least the $1,500 in direct deposit before the 25 of the month. You will also need to maintain an average daily balance of the 100 $1,500 alternatively, and you could also receive at least and qualifying deposit and maintenance an average daily balance of at least $5,000 in your checking account. If you can't meet the requirements of the those options, you will only earn 1.0% APY on your saving balance, and you won't earn any interest at all on the checking balance. Axis Bank has an A plus rating from the BBB. It does not have any recent controversy. Best low maintenance account and payback saving. Payback saving offers one of the highest yield saving account rate nationally without any limits or requirement. This online saving account pays 4.60% APY and it has a zero minimum dollar opening deposit and the 2 monthly service fee. You won't need to maintain a certain balance to earn the high yield rate, and you won't need to make a certain amount of direct deposit each month, making it a low maintenance account. If you have not heard of a bank before, it is an online brand of the Integrated Bank, a financial institution in the Miami. While the online saving account offers a competitive interest rate and has relatively flexible opening requirement, and there are a good couple of the don't third bank and the ZLA. You also may be charged fee by your external financial institution for outgoing and income transfer. The BB gave incredible bank on a rate and a rating because of the few complaints filed against the business. P Bank has not received an individual rating from the BBB yet. Best account from a credit union. Vibrant Credit Union prefer saving. The Vibrant Credit Union prefer saving account could be a good option for you if you have a small amount of saving you would like to a good rate, and the account has no monthly service for and 0% dollar minimum opening deposit, making it a low fee account. You don't need to meet any special requirements to earn the highest interest rate on the first $15,000 in the account. Once your balance gets over $15,000, while you be earning a significantly lower rate of the 1.0% APY. And if you are the planning on keeping a significant amount of money in your saving account, you might prefer one of other quicker and credit union require membership to open bank account. You can join Vibrant Credit Union by becoming part of the Illinois Consumer Council. If you will pay an associated fee for you, you can also join by living or working in certain part of the Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, or the Wisconsin by being a member of employee of a select employer group or association, or by having a domestic partner or immediate family member who is already member of the credit time. I hope to a handful of high-yield saving account have debit card or ATM card, but for the most part this is not a common feature. Typically you need to own a checking account with the same bank or make an external bank account transfer to take out cash. Depositing cash through an online saving account can also involve extra steps depending on the bank. Some banks do not let you make cash deposit and online saving account, so you have to deposit cash in the bank checking account or in an external bank account from a different bank and then faster money. A couple of online banks may have more ways to deposit physical cash into an online bank account. For example, a few let you make cash deposit as ATM in their network, You also might be able to make cash deposit there as at store. Usually there are fee of around $5 per transaction. Although alternative to high yield saving accounts, CDS, the best CD rates are comparable to the best high yield. Enjoy this video, guys. Like and subscribe my channel for new video and update. Have a nice time. Goodbye.